Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters. Today we're going to take a look at our courtesy lamp assembly for the 66 to 77 Broncos and many other Ford car and truck models. Our courtesy light includes the lamp bracket, socket, wire, 12-volt bulb, and mounting screw. Stamped from steel and bright zinc plated, it's a complete assembly, ready to install in your desired location. This light assembly can be mounted on the left or right side under the dash for additional interior light. It comes with a 27-inch power wire with a molded male bullet connector for a trouble-free installation. This simple lamp assembly can be retrofitted to vehicles outside the factory application list. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on our latest videos. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.